All right, let me talk to you for a minute. You work hard for your money, right? You get up every single day, you put in the hours, you deal with your boss, you sit in traffic so you can get that paycheck. When your money gets to the bank, what does it do? Does it just sit there? Does it lay on a tiny couch eating bonbons? No, sir. That ain't what it's supposed to be doing. Your money needs to be working just as hard as you do. It needs to have a job, putting in that overtime, making more money for you while you sleep. Most folks think a bank is just a storage locker, safe from that cousin who always needs 20. But that's thinking too small. A bank is a partner, you hear me? It's a financial gym for your dollars. You don't go to the gym to stand there. You lift, you run, you get stronger. Your money needs that same workout, active, moving, growing. If it's just sitting, you're leaving free money on the table. The magic happens when it moves. Let's get right to it. The secret weapon is called a sweep account. Don't let the name fool you. It ain't complicated. It's like a personal assistant for your money. Every night it checks your accounts and makes sure they're set up right. It automatically sweeps money from one account to another. You don't have to do a thing. It's working around the clock. You have your main account, your checking account, where your paycheck lands and bills get paid. Checking usually pays little to no interest, so you link checking to an interest-earning account, savings or money market. End of day, it spots extra cash just chilling. Then it moves it to earn something. You set a threshold, say keep $2,000 for bills. Anything above that, sweep, off it goes. Now it's earning. Big bill coming, it sweeps money back in time so you don't bounce a check. It's a two-way street. Set it once and forget it. Money goes to the best place at the best time. Earning interest, bills covered, no lazy money. That's making the bank work for you. Simple, smart, you're in control without adding more work to your plate. What's in it for the bank? Ain't no such thing as a free lunch. They benefit too. That's why they offer it. It's a win-win. Swept money becomes deposits they can lend. Cars, homes, businesses earning interest. Your sweep gives them stable funds. You get a piece in the form of interest. Being smart with money isn't rocket science, just small, simple steps. Say, hey, tell me about these sweep accounts. Don't let fear stop you. A sweep account is a powerful tool in your toolbox. Take control of your finances. Small changes add up to big blessings. Talk to your bank. Ask the questions. Be bold. Put your money to work, because you work hard and your money should too.